Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog DNA tests that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Wisdom Panel Essential Dog DNA Collection Kit. Wisdom Panel Essential Dog DNA Collection Kit is an approachable price test providing insight into a dog's genetic makeup along with information on traits and health issues commonly encountered by similar breeds. This test is designed to give you a clearer understanding of your dog, but it does not provide a diagnosis and should not be used to determine treatment. Per the instructions that came with the test, we registered on the website and watched a short video demonstrating how to collect the sample from our dog. When setting up an account, you are given the option to opt out of having your dog's results made public. The default is to opt in, but the choice is clearly presented. If you do share your results, you'll be able to explore connections to other registered users with dogs who could be relatives of your dog. We started the sample collection process 2 hours after our dog had eaten by checking their mouth to make sure it was clear of food that might cloud the results. Our participating dog didn't care for the bristled tool, similar to a mascara wand, that was used to gently swab the inside their mouth, but it only lasted 15 seconds. The sample is mailed back to Wisdom Panel in the same box it arrived in. It is clearly labeled with, "Do not destroy," but we recommend exercising caution when opening your package to keep the box intact. Before the test results arrived, we only had an approximate age for our dog participant from the shelter where they were adopted, and a hunch on the mix of breeds we might find on their family tree. The results were delivered early than anticipated, within 3 weeks, and detected 10 different breeds with a percentage of each breed. Through the Wisdom Panel app and website, registered users can explore their results, learning about the history of each related breed along with traits and characteristics that your dog may have inherited, including the shape of their snout, the length of their legs, and potential health risks your dog may be predisposed to developing. For example, if your dog's genes are a high percentage match with the breed standard of a Chihuahua, then your dog could potentially experience a luxating patella. This does not mean that your dog will experience this condition in their lifetime. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Embark Breed and Health Dog DNA Test. If you want a lot of insight on your dog's DNA and don't mind splurging a little more for a dog DNA test, we recommend the Embark Dog DNA Breed and Health Test Kit. Albeit a little pricey compared to other tests, we found this to be well worth the investment, especially since it provides such extensive information on a dog's genetic and health history. With a database of over 350 breeds and 230 health risks, the test kit looks not only at what breeds make up your precious pooch but also lets you know if they are at risk of anything health-wise. In addition to breed and health information, the results also show physical traits and can connect you with family matches, too. This test is an excellent way to understand your dog better and gain insight and knowledge of what they are made of so you can be better prepared for their care and future. At number 3, we have the Wisdom Panel Breed Discovery 3.0 Dog DNA Test Kit. Wisdom Panel Breed Discovery Dog DNA Collection Kit provides an evaluation of a dog's genetic mix, makes virtual connections with potential relatives, and screens for a genetic mutation associated with medication sensitives. It's also the least expensive dog DNA test among our top selections. Like our choice for best overall, this dog DNA test is made by Wisdom Panel and arrives in a box that will be used to mail your dog's sample to the lab. The instructions are easy to follow and a bristled tool is required for a sample collection from a dog's mouth. Our dog participating was uneasy throughout the 15 seconds required to swab the inside of their mouth, but the ordeal was over quickly. Our results were delivered on time and easily accessible through the website and app. The analysis included 15 breeds along with an estimated percentage and detailed information about each breed, including physical traits, temperament, and training expectations. The breed composition and lineage of 3 prior generations were also provided. The genetic mutation known as MDR1, multidrug resistance 1, was not found in our tester dog, which is helpful to know since it is associated with medication sensitivities, some of which can be potentially fatal if administered. If you opt in to have your results made public during registration, potential relatives of your dog will be shown. There are also additional insights pulled from results behind a paywall. At number 2, we have the Embark DNA test for purebred dogs' ancestry and health. Embark's DNA test for purebred dogs' health and ancestry kit combines genetic testing with health-related data specific to purebred dogs. Whether you are certain of your dog's lineage or not, this test will provide insight into the genetic makeup of your dog, which isn't shared by any other dog, even their siblings. Like our pick for best health screening, Embark's Dog DNA Test, Breed and Health Kit, this test from Embark analyzes more than 230 genetic health risks and more than 35 physical traits. For our participating purebred dog, we felt that the analysis of their physical traits was less than accurate, but this feature could be entertaining for someone with a purebred puppy. The genetic health risks were both eye-opening and reassuring, but ultimately will be used as points of discussion for preventative care with a veterinarian. For the health of purebred dogs, information regarding their genetic diversity can be helpful. The results take into account your dog's coefficient of inbreeding or COI, and whereas falls in relation to both your dog's breed and all other dog breeds. With purebred dogs, the practice of inbreeding can be used to maintain or emphasize characteristic traits of the breed, but it also leads to low genetic diversity which can lead to health complications. 1. Keep in mind that genetic data is different from the traditional evaluative methods used to assess a dog's pedigree. While data obtained from a DNA test may be more scientifically accurate than pedigree measures that make determinations based on lineage, ultimately pedigree is determined by registering organizations, like the American Kennel Club. And finally at number 1, we have the Embark Breed Identification Kit. Dog owners with mixed breed companions are likely most intrigued by DNA tests, as the results can give them answers about their dog's heritage, ancestry, and more. After testing dog DNA tests, we found that the best option for mixed breeds, after our best overall, the Wisdom Panel Essential Dog DNA Collection Kit, is the Embark Breed Identification Kit. The kit comes ready to use with a cotton swab that makes collecting a sample and mailing it back to the company a total breeze. Plus, the company has a database of over 350 breeds, providing plenty of data to determine what your dog is mixed with. As a research partner of Cornell University College of Veterinary Medicine, this Embark DNA test is able to provide a user-friendly experience to dog owners with clear insights on what the genetic makeup of your dog is. While there weren't a ton of details provided, including our dog's age and more extensive information like behavior, we appreciated all of the great insight on the different breeds, which helped us understand our pup a little better. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.